Hello, my name is Nasser from Tunisia, and I would like first of all to thank the Institute for Global Environment Strategy and the Islamic Development Bank for this opportunity for me to speak about the private sector contribution to the exchange between Japan and MENA companies. Please allow me to share with you a very short presentation with a few slides. Okay, just a second here. So the focus of my presentation will be mainly on the experience of our company, which is BSB Group of Companies, and also with regards to the Tunisian Japanese Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So the BSB company is a family-owned company founded in 1964, and we start our business with Japan very early in 1970. So we're talking here about 50 years experience. The 50 years experience are enough, I think, in my mind anyway, in my point of view, to give you an idea about how to develop a long-term business relationship with Japanese companies. In 1970, we started with the Sharp Corporation. Then at the end of the 70s, we had our first contact with the Toyota Motor Corporation. So BSB Toyota partnership was very much the good experience, and we've been working since then, and for several generations. We implemented Toyota way of working in BSP. I think that's the major benefit that we have in our companies is to have the Toyota way in all departments. We're talking about human resources, training, technical. Management, forecasting, KPIs, how to analyze data, how to forecast the future, how to discuss with the very well-structured companies of Toyota. We're talking about the big multinational. And the most interesting thing is that over the 50 years, we followed the development of Toyota way of doing business in very, very good manner. We introduce little by little the Kaizen management, the Japanese way, very worldwide known, which makes you better, productive company, good quality control. And we also have very good financial support to offer our customers through some formulas that Toyota developed with us, mainly leasebacks and some other financing, and also technical training for our staff, people that join our companies, especially in the technical department. They climb up on competence over years. So say from very new graduate person to become an expert on Toyota way of technology troubleshooting and information exchange with several platforms that Toyota provide from websites. For the Chamber of Commerce, the Tunisian Japanese Chamber of Commerce, we also provide accessible information to all the people who would like to work with Tunisia, mainly Japanese companies. We also provide information for Tunisian companies that would like to develop business with Japan. Our input is mainly a relationship with a very well-known institution and reliable information provider, such as JETRO and JICA and the Japan Business Council for Africa and other multinationals we work with. Also, from the Tunisian side, we have a lot of good relationship with local institutions, local government, local ministries, so we can provide assistance in legal aspects and in business development aspects. We also do some business matching seminars and financial technical policy support for our members. Based on this experience, we can point out that there are two sides of this partnership, the MENA people and the Japan companies and institutions, and each one has or should provide what it takes to make the business develop over time and mainly win-win situation. For the local MENA companies and institutions, providing accessible data, available data, which might not be available on the regular way that the Japanese know. Local culture is very different from Japanese culture, and that's one point that we should do, and over time to develop the mutual understanding between both cultures, regardless of the country. Matchmaking. It's different from matchmaking with the European companies, because European companies have been working with Tunisia and North Africa in general and MENA for the very long time, whereas Japan and MENA probably for the past 50 years, which is not long time regarding with respect to exchanging between countries. So this information provided from the local MENA countries and MENA institution can be very useful for Japanese companies. From the other side, the Japanese companies provides financial, technical, and policy support. And it's very important to have matchmaking benefit based on these factors, based on these approach. So the solution provided with Japanese could be package solution, that it's financial, technical support, especially in the blue economy, for green economy. These economies are very well how do you say, needed in North Africa, mainly in North Africa and in Africa in general, and also in MENA. Uh, Technology from Japan on these two economies are very much wanted and very efficient. And the need is there. The Tunisian, mainly Tunisia and North Africa in general, have a very serious problems in green and blue economies. And through institution and local technologies from Japan, this can be overcome with mutual benefit for both countries. Let me stress that Tunisia, from Tunisia anyway, BSP companies, a group of companies, and the Tunisian Chamber of Commerce are very good positioned to help and assist you from Japan to start good business in Tunisia, and from our side anyway, and have a win-win situation that can be very much feasible for both of us. So, if I may just summarize the approach that we have and that we suggest and recommend for MENA companies, they have to learn to be patient with Japanese companies. For the one reason is that Japanese culture takes more time to evaluate and and judge the opportunity uh, as opposed to Europeans, which is has its qualities, but it also has its drawbacks. Reactivity from Japanese company is needed, uh, and less risk-averse approach is also probably welcome. Faster and more aggressive reactive to change partnership in MENA market, because people here are reacting very much. Although the brand of Japan, brand of quality, brand of technology, brand of feasibility, it's also good point for Japanese companies in MENA. When you say Japanese brand, Japanese technology, people are very confident that's going to be very trusted one. But time also is a factor that we have to consider to realize projects, to realize tenders, maybe a government project. Time is very, very much a defining factor. For intermediates like the Global Institute for Environmental Strategy, matchmaking, helping, structuring, helping that is the technology transfer are very crucial. With these intermediaries, business realization can be much faster. A green business matching platform is very nice and very reliable, I think, and very good opportunity. And we hope that it's materialized very soon. Let me explain that the Japanese brand is trusted, and we can rely on that factor to develop business faster and more profitable for everybody. Thank you for your attention. I hope my presentation was clear, and I am available for any information, for any assistance. Thank you again, and see you soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.